Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Kevin No, and in this video, I'll be teaching you a step-by-step process on how to create a Roth IRA. And why would you want to create a Roth IRA, you may ask? The reason why you want to create a Roth IRA is because you contribute after-tax money. And the reason for that is because all of your earnings won't be taxed on. So anything that you earn from Dogecoin or something else, you won't have to pay taxes on all of your earnings. So without further ado, let's get into this video. First of all, you want to search Merrill Edge, which is the brokerage we'll be creating our Roth IRA through today. You'll search Merrill Edge on Google, and you'll click on the first link that pops up. Not the advertisement, which are the same thing, but just click on the non-advertisement first link. And after you get on the site, on the top right, you'll see open an account. We will want to click on that. And we will want to click show me all accounts. And since we're creating a Roth IRA, we will go to Roth IRA and click open now. I don't currently have an offer code or anything, but I believe there are some offer codes online where you could contribute like $10,000 and they'll give you like a $2,000 bonus. So I'm just going to click continue since I don't have an offer code. And if you're a new client and you're creating a Roth IRA for the first time through Merrill Edge, you will just click I'm a new client and I don't have one. After that, we'll click begin. So this is just asking if you're a resident of the United States. I am, so I'll just click yes. And this is just asking what citizenship you are. I'm a United States citizen, so United States. And all of these, I'm just gonna fill in my name, but everything else will be fictitious information. I'm just filling it out as fast as I can so I could just get this over with and show you guys how to create a Roth IRA as fast as I can. This is not my real address, but I'm just filling out the information as fast as I can. And if your mailing address is the same as your permanent address, you'll click yes. Enter your social security number. Make sure all of the numbers that you enter are legit and your correct information, because this kind of really matters when in terms of taxes and everything else. Your marital status, so if you're single, married, divorced, or widow, I'm just going to click single. And just your email address. This is a fictitious email address, and it's not real. Any phone number is good. This is a fake phone number. And after you fill out all the information, you could go ahead and click continue. Now, this one is just asking, are you or like anyone that like in your household employed by either Merrill or Bank of America? Most likely it will be no, so I'm just going to click no. This is pretty much just asking, are you a 10% shareholder in a publicly traded company? If you are not, then just go ahead and click no. This next one is just asking your employment status, and I'm just going to go ahead and click student. This is asking your household income, so what everyone makes in your household. I'm just going to go ahead and put a random number. You should just like, if you don't know the answer to this, you should just like take your best guess. And this is your household net worth. So whatever all of your net worth is worth. Net worth is pretty much your assets minus the liability, which is your net worth. This is just asking how investable assets, just pretty much asking like how much money you have like that's liquid and how much money you are planning and can invest with. Just go ahead and put a random number. This is just asking your primary source of income. So you have I'm just gonna go ahead and put household/family income. And like, what's your primary source of income? Like, how are you earning your money? I'll just put income from employment or business. This is just asking your trading experience and how much experience you have. This is just asking when do you start investing. It does not really matter, but you can go ahead and just like put the year that you started investing. And this is asking what you have invested in. I'm gonna put everything that I invested in. And this is just asking, can like Merrill like send like companies your information? I don't think it really matters, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put no. They cannot disclose my name or securities or my address. They're just trying to like make sure that they have like the correct address to like send all my information to. So I'm just gonna use the correct address. And the only difference between these two addresses is that they added the 4 additional digits to the zip code. This is just like they want you to create like an account login so you can like access your account after your account is like successfully created. Now just enter like a password, don't share this password with anyone. Make sure you have a nice, safe password, something that you remember as well. But if you don't remember, you can always change your password or just click forget password. I guess someone has this user ID as well. So you just gotta choose a unique user ID that no one has and you should be good. Now on this page, they're just asking who would you want to like designate your beneficiary. So like if you in case of your death, in case you pass away, who do you want to have access to your account? You can always add this later, or you can add that person now. But for me personally, I'm just gonna click later. Now they just want you to like review all of your information, make sure you have the correct information. Just make sure everything is good because this is super important. But since I'm not actually creating this account, I'm just gonna go ahead and click to terms and conditions. They pretty much want you should just pretty much read all of this. It's not like super important, but you should just like go ahead and like skim through it, see if anything's like important to you or like sticks out to you. They also want you to take a look at these two documents below, but I already kind of like skimmed through these and it's quite a few pages for both of these PDFs. So I'm just gonna go ahead, click on them, show them that I read it and everything, and go ahead and click continue. For this, they just want me to like, it's pretty much another like terms and conditions. You just have to read everything, make sure your social security number is correct, make sure all of your information is correct. After you make sure everything is good, you can check this box and hit continue. Now they pretty much just have more terms and conditions. You should just quickly skim through everything, make sure you understand everything. And after that, you can just hit this box and click submit application. But since I already have an account, I'm not going to click submit application. So after you click submit application, you should be good after this. Feel free to comment any questions that you have down below, and thank you for watching this video.